Wheels and Wing is your go-to channel for in-depth automotive reviews, covering the latest cars with expert insights. Today, we bring you a detailed look at the 2025 Toyota Corolla, one of the most anticipated sedans of the year. Known for its reliability, efficiency, and affordability, the Corolla continues to impress with modern updates and refined performance. The 2025 Toyota Corolla retains its sleek and aerodynamic design with sharper lines and a more aggressive front fascia. The LED headlights are slimmer, giving it a sportier appeal, while the grille and bumper design add to its bold presence. Toyota offers a variety of trims, each with distinctive styling elements, including alloy wheels and available two-tone color options. The exterior enhancements not only improve aesthetics but also contribute to better aerodynamics, enhancing fuel efficiency. Under the hood, the new Corolla is available with multiple powertrain options. The base engine remains a 2.0-liter four-cylinder producing a balanced mix of power and efficiency. For those seeking more fuel economy, the hybrid variant offers an improved powertrain that delivers excellent mileage without compromising performance. Toyota's advanced CVT ensures smooth acceleration, while the suspension tuning provides a comfortable ride, even on longer journeys. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Corolla boasts a refreshed interior with premium materials and advanced technology. The dashboard is cleaner with a more intuitive layout, featuring a standard 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, with higher trims offering an upgraded 12.3-inch digital display. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, ensuring seamless smartphone connectivity. The available premium sound system enhances the driving experience, while multiple USB-C ports and wireless charging add to the convenience. Comfort has been a priority in the new Corolla, with improved seat cushioning and better lumbar support for both front and rear passengers. The rear seats offer ample legroom, making it a great option for families or those who frequently travel with passengers. Climate control has also been upgraded, with dual-zone automatic temperature control available in higher trims. Safety remains a strong suit for the Corolla, with Toyota's latest Safety Sense suite coming standard. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking ensure a secure driving experience. The updated collision avoidance system now reacts faster, providing extra confidence on the road. Toyota has fine-tuned the driving dynamics, offering a balanced mix of comfort and responsiveness. The steering feels precise, making city driving effortless, while highway cruising remains smooth and stable. The hybrid model further enhances efficiency, making it a great choice for eco-conscious drivers. Overall, the 2025 Toyota Corolla continues to set the benchmark in the compact sedan segment. With its refined design, improved technology, and advanced safety features, it remains a top contender for those looking for a reliable daily driver. Toyota's reputation for durability ensures that the Corolla will remain a smart investment for years to come. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the latest car releases, be sure to subscribe to Wheels and Wing. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and automotive insights.